Maximize focus on the image. Coarse focus knob, used to roughly focus on the image. Carousel, a screw that adjusts the magnification of the objective lens. Objective lens, magnifies the image of an object. Iris, controls the amount of light coming through the stage. Illuminator, emits light to the eyepiece. If you are ready to use the microscope, shall we start experimenting with the specimen marker? Oops, the sample cannot be observed because it is out of focus. Can you focus it? This is the cross-sectional view of the pine tree trunk. This time, let's zoom in 100 times. Can you see the xylem through which water moves and the phloem through which nutrients move? What do you see when you zoom in 400 times? The cork protecting the tree looks like this. Oh, great job!